Hello everyone, it's Cook with Regina here and I welcome you all back to my kitchen. So today we are going to make a very easy domestic chicken peanut butter soup. This peanut soup comes together pretty easy in a little time and you need a few simple ingredients for this recipe. So I am going to go ahead and show you how I put everything together. We feed our domestic animals and get one chicken for our food. Domestic chicken is one of the most nutritious chicken you can find here in Ghana. We put water on fire and prepare our chicken for soup. After removing the feathers from the chicken with hot water, we put the chicken under a low-medium heat to remove all the smaller feathers. Put the chicken into a pan, pour water onto it and wash it with sponge. Now these are the ingredients needed for our recipe today. We have habanero pepper, tomato paste, garden eggs, tomatoes, onions, salt, natural spices, garlic and ginger, groundnut paste, smoked mackerel, home or domestic chicken, wele and rice. Our ingredients are set to roll. We bisect the chicken to our preferable portions and wash thoroughly. Wash and put the garlic, ginger and onions into the blender. Add the natural spices, add a little water and begin to blend. Set up the fire, put a pot on it, wash the chicken again and put it into the pot on fire. Pour the blended ingredients onto the chicken, add a little water and salt, stir and cover to boil. Wash the wele and add to the cooking chicken on fire. Put the groundnut paste into a pot, add water, mix together and put it onto the fire and stir. Stir till it's well cooked to avoid a running stomach. Someone may ask why the running stomach? The groundnut paste needs to have an oily surface to show it's well cooked. If you don't see the oily surface, then note, you may begin to have a running stomach, meaning it wasn't completely cooked. Take the steamed groundnut paste off the fire. Check the chicken and remove the willy out from it to avoid melting into the soup since it's already soft. Add the steamed peanut butter to the chicken. Stir and add water to it. Keep stirring. Wash the garden eggs, onions, pepper, tomatoes and add to the soup on fire and cover to boil. After boiling for some time, we take the garden eggs, tomatoes and pepper out, add a little water and begin to blend. Sieve the blended ingredients and add to the soup on fire. Add the tomato paste and cover to boil. Wash and break the mackerel into two and add to the soup. take the onion out from the soup after boiling for some time. Grind it separately. Add shrimp cubes, grind it together and add back to the soup. Add the cooked wele to the soup, stir and cover to continue boiling. Note: we need to allow the soup to cook or boil till the foamy surface is completely changed to oil. That determines the soup is well cooked. If you still see the foamy part on the surface of the peanut butter soup and try eating it, you will have a running stomach. We put a pot on fire, pour water into it and wash the rice thoroughly to be used for our rice balls and put the rice into the pot on fire. Add salt, stir and cover to boil. We wash the green pepper, add to the boiling soup and cover to continue boiling. We check the rice on fire, stir and cover with a plantain leaf to continue boiling. After some few minutes, our rice is ready for our rice balls. We drive and roll the rice balls into our earthenware bowl beautifully to be served. We check on our soup. As you can see, the foamy surface has formed into oil, meaning our peanut butter soup is completely cooked for consumption. We stir and begin to serve. Our home chicken and smoked mackerel did the magic for our soup, and now food is ready. Thank you for keeping an eye on us till now. We don't take it for granted. Tell us where you are watching us from for a warm shout out in our next video. Let's enjoy this food together. Share to tell family and friends about this process of cooking our delicious peanut butter soup. Like and leave your comments for more. If you are new here, kindly subscribe and leave your comments as well. Greetings from Ghana. See you in our next video. God bless you.